The offer in compromise. It's the phrase everyone searching for tax relief wants to hear. Pennies on the dollar. But let's be realistic. The OIC isn't a magical escape from your tax debt. It's a serious negotiation with the IRS, and it hinges on specific qualifications. One of the most common misunderstandings is that the OIC is just for people who claim to be low income. While financial hardship is a key component, it's not simply about saying you don't have money. The IRS isn't looking for a sob story. They're looking for doubt as to collectibility. This is the cornerstone of a successful OIC. It means you can prove, with hard numbers, that you genuinely cannot pay your full tax liability, and the IRS stands to collect more from you through an OIC than they would through other enforcement methods. So how do they figure this out? It's all about your reasonable collection potential, or RCP. The IRS will meticulously analyze your assets, things like equity in your home, cars, and bank accounts, and your future earning potential. They look at your monthly income minus your allowable living expenses, using national and local standards for things like housing, food, and transportation. Let's say after calculating your net equity and assets and your disposable income over a set period, they determine your actual ability to pay is significantly less than your total debt. That difference is where the OIC comes in. It's not about what you want to pay, it's about what the IRS can realistically collect. So while the dream of pennies on the dollar might seem appealing, the reality of an offer in compromise is rooted in a detailed financial assessment. It requires transparent, verifiable information proving doubt as to collectibility. If you're considering an OIC, understanding these core principles is your first and most crucial step toward a fresh start. Is an OIC actually right for you? Get a realistic assessment before you file. Contact Sabio Tax Debt Services today for a professional consultation. 888-7184-798. SabioTaxDebtServices.com/contact/.